Welcome to Windsor, Ontario, Canada's busiest port. It's the origin of 5 railways, 5 major highways, but this week the excitement is in the sky at the Windsor International Airshow. You think it's hard getting a case of beer across the border? I have been today, I fly, friendly skies. Ontario, Canada's busiest port. It's the origin of 5 railways, 5 major highways, but this week the excitement is in the sky at the Windsor International Airshow. You think it's hard getting a case of beer across the border? I have been today, I fly, friendly skies.
Materials, even horses, believe it or not.
Really?
Yes, during the Burma conflict.
Now, this particular plane, what's the history of the plane? Because it seems to me that every time, people always know what the history of each individual plane is.
Yeah, well this particular plane was first flown in 1939 by Eastern Airlines.
Right.
And after years, it became available, it was sold to a university. I forget the names of the university. And they used it for transporting teams.
Right.
Basketball,
Right. Oh, okay.
baseball teams.
Okay.
And
Rick, can I stop just for a sec? Can we find a way to get past me and then I'll...
This week on the Mercer Report. No. This week on the Mercer Report, I go airborne at the Windsor International Airshow. Good? Okay, I got